Are you struggling to attract clients and book shows or get events booked? Are you having a problem selling your products and services or even setting them up in the first place? Do you struggle with marketing like everybody else or get confused by the overwhelming noise from too many online marketing gurus? Have you ever had that sinking feeling where despite your best efforts, it never seems to be enough? Have you ever found yourself thinking, where did I go wrong? Unless you're heard online and unless people can find you, you're going to get no customers. And no customers equals no clients and no business. There's only two people that can sell your products. It's you and other people. So how can you leverage other people to help you build your brand? You see, if you don't have sales, you don't have a business, period. And if you have clients but not enough profit, then your business just can't survive. The object of a business isn't to get people to buy your stuff, it's to make money. And we're not trying to break even or stay afloat. We're actually trying to make a significant income. People will pay more for certainty. They'll pay more if they believe that their dreams and the result is going to be the outcome. They pay more for experience and gravitate to those with more reviews. And if you're new starting out, you might not have the experience or the reviews. So I can help you in this area. If you're waiting around staring at your inbox, that won't get you clients, or just looking at your cell phone, or wondering why your website isn't giving you more traffic. And there's either a way to do it quickly and efficiently by using a mentor, or there's the slow track that takes sometimes years. We all know that trial and error is inevitable when chasing your dreams, but with the right tools and resources, you can definitely skip that phase. What is the gap between your current reality and your dream outcome, and how can I solve it for you? Why spend another day stuck in a swamp of sluggish growth, squinting at the horizon for a rescue helicopter when you can be on the fast track to success? The Hypnotic Marketing Mentor Program is here. It's stacked with amazing value and benefits. I invite you to look at everything I'm offering you so that you can grow your business and attract more clients and get back your time and energy and stop grinding. Get in touch with me for a free discovery call so we can find out if I'm good for you and you're good for me. But if you feel that you've seen and heard enough, let's get going right away. I'm ready to help a small handful of people on a fast track road to success. I've done this 100 times and I've gained lots of momentum and success both in my businesses and in other people's. And I'm eager and excited to help you and see where your journey takes you.